Restoration, and we are excited to talk with you about this sofa. This is a 1845, 1835 possibly, Thomas Day sofa. Many of you know Thomas Day was quite a craftsman in the Milton, Virginia, Danville, Virginia area, and also in Alton, Virginia. And this sofa comes from a home from Alton, Virginia, and we're so excited to be involved in an original Thomas Day sofa to be restored. At some point, somebody had varnished, and the finish had looked, how do we say, inferior. And the customer from Alton, Virginia really wanted to have it reupholstered, and we suggested, well, let's make the finish look right too. So we wanted to show you this stage where the crotch mahogany has been completely restored. It has been lacquered and repaired. Some veneer needed to be repaired, and we've done a final finish. You can see how beautiful the finials there are, and this is where the fabric comes to, and we'll be showing you that next so that you can see the fabric selection and how the seat and the back panels look. This is what we consider to be a prized possession of that excellent craftsman from North Carolina history. Mumford, the owner of Mumford Restoration, and we are proud to show you the results of the Thomas Day sofa. This is an 1840s, 1850s piece that was made in northern North Carolina, Milton, Virginia area, and it has been completed. We can see, first of all, that the customer has chosen a beautiful fabric, just a very appropriate traditional stripe. And then you can see that the finish has now been corrected. It was originally hand varnished, and now it has a perfectly good lacquer finish on it as it would have been done originally. And everything has come together in just a beautiful result.
I think it's absolutely fantastic. It works, and it looks like it was probably 150 years ago.